This is a video tutorial on how to use the assessment tools in Metis. The first thing you need to do is to go to your dashboard. We are using Emma as an example today. And in order to access the assessment tools, you scroll to the bottom of the page on the dashboard, and then you click Assessment Tools here. This brings you to this page with an overview of the organizations, and then you choose the correct organization that you want to register the assessment tool for. So today we're going to use this one as an example. So you click Open, and now you can see an overview of due diligence, OCAT, and financial checklist. And the first step is to check if you already have data. Most of you will. And here you can see that it's already registered an OCAT from 2021. If you do not have already registered a tool, then you create a new one by clicking this plus sign button here. Now we're going to click the OCAT that was created in 2021. And for this example, we're going to create a financial checklist in, let's say, 2023. So we start by clicking the OCAT here. And then we're going to take the results from this OCAT and copy them by clicking Create New Tool Copy. It's also an option to click Re-Register Score. And this is only applicable if you are creating a copy of an OCAT. But that's only possible to do with the same tool, and you cannot create a new due diligence or financial checklist. So click the Create New Tool Copy button, click OK, and then Yes. And then you have to wait a second. And then you go to this menu and you click Financial Checklist, Next. And then we're going to register this one for 2023, and then you click Start. Now this is a very important step. So in order for this to properly update, you have to exit, click Close, and then click Refresh on the bottom. And now you will be able to see the financial checklist here created for 2023 with Emma as the owner and the date and time that it was updated. So now we can open the financial checklist, and you can see that here you have the guidance notes, or you can click this link to get to the guidance notes on how to properly fill out and do the financial checklist. You can click View, which opens a PDF of the filled out financial checklist if you want to save it or print it. And then if you scroll down, you can see that it already has the same data that was from the previous OCAT created in 2021 that we created a financial checklist from. Now you can change or update. This is, again, just an example, the score by updating the answers and uploading the appropriate documents. And then once everything is filled out and you're done, you click Register, and then Activate, Confirm, and now you have a completed financial checklist that is saved to the organization. And then we have another very important step, and that is after a few years you might have different tools created. And then if you want to create, let's say as an example, in 2025, you want to create or update the OCAT for your organization, it's very important that even though you still have an OCAT here previously, you might have updated the other tools in the years between. And it's very important that you create a copy of the last created tool, regardless of if it's a due diligence, OCAT, or financial checklist. So in order to see which tool was last updated, you can look at the menu here. You can see, or you can filter it, and you can see when it was created. And you can also go through the organization. So you see the name of the organization here. We can go back to the dashboard, click My Organization, Sub-Organizations, and then this is the one that we created a financial checklist for. Click Open, click Tools, and now you can see the assessment tools that has been created for this organization, and you can see when they were updated and which one was last updated, which was the financial checklist that we just created. So that is how you use the assessment tools in Metis.